My birthday party. Okay. Alrighty. No, I want to figure out how input actions work. Okay. SSS update when? I have no idea. I haven't touched that game in a long time. Good question for the Discord server though. I can send you a link to that if you want. If you're curious, I'm not sure if you're in the Discord, but that's the snow shoveling Discord. It looks kind of dead, not gonna lie. I'm tuning it over there. No dev updates or anything. Yep, no problem. Feel free to ask over there. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been in touch with that community in a while. If they update the game, maybe I'll cover it. Working on my own stuff right now, so. I mean, kind of is. Hasn't updated in like a long time, so. Okay. This was outputting something finally. These were not, though. Motion. Does it count as gamepad? No. Okay, I guess we are motion controlling. Okay, they recommend that. Do they take input at all? Training streams, ayo. I don't want to watch all those right now. I wonder if this just works. I have no way of testing it easily. Hold on, I'll be back. Ooh. Hopefully that's not good. Okay, yeah, that's not getting picked up on mic. We're good. I had to turn on some music. Okay. What's up, chat? Okay, let's hop over to the VR for a second. Where are my hands? There they are. Okay, let's see if this works. I need to see printing. Left stick. Does WASD work though? No, I'm not getting any prints. Hello? Nothing? I was getting it the other day. Hold on. That's good feedback. Well, we can use that for good feedback right there. Okay. So I hooked up my new input sub. Okay. Oh, this isn't doing a print. That's why. Duh. Print. I want to see if this will print anything, because if it does, let's just get rid of that. Set these aside for now. How do you save? Control S. There we go. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Getting my controller. My controllers are not wanting to behave. This is laggy. It works. Okay, well, we're getting no input from the gamepad. What about WSD? We get WSD input, but we don't get joystick input. That's good to know. Good to know. So what's going on here? Real question. Why is it not printing anything? Because it should it not? Hold on. So, honestly, if I had to guess, it has something to do with these bad boys right here. Do these have any modifiers? Inherit settings from action. This is not going to fire on a controller. Triggered ongoing. Oh, we have different input types. I'm really quiet. Really? Okay, hold on. How about now? Am I better? Give me a second. I can crank myself up. Hold on, my friendo. How's that sound? I'm better. I'm nearly like I'm peaking. I'm peaking right now. That's better? Okay. What's good, Rose? How's it going? Alrighty. Where was I? Oh, yes. I remember where I was. I was wanting to check this out. This is what I wanted. So instead of triggered, we want ongoing, I think, right? He's peaking. I know. It's crazy. Let's try this. I wonder if this is the issue. Where are my controllers? There they are. I think I only need one. Gonna find out. Come on, controller summoning. No, I didn't mean to grab the fog. Oh, this is the wrong controller. Give me my other controller. You poopy. Nope. Still nothing. I want to see if this still prints stuff. It does. Oh my gosh. Why? Why does this have to be so difficult? I don't understand. Okay, sorry about the chair squeaks, by the way. I don't feel like getting rid of them right now. I know I could put on like some noise suppression or something. I am too lazy. Okay, maybe we need like... Okay, this is this, right? This is this. So, what do I need to work? Is it started? Input mapping context. Let me put my headset down. Okay. And if you want controls, though, with a controller. This will set up later. The problem is I'm not... Modifiers. Unit modifier. Modifiers change the raw, improve the user in a way you like, such as applying dead zones to analog stick inputs. Triggers are processed in their sensitivity settings, smoothing input over multiple frames. Because you have player input, modifier. I wonder... This should be triggering this. Oh my god. I need these. Oh. I was grabbing the wrong gamepad, that's why. I think I want thumbstick Y and then Oculus Touch. Thumbstick left. X-axis. I think that was literally the only thing that was messing up. Not gonna lie, that's kind of sad. Okay, let's see if this fixed it. It doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. Life gives you lemon, please to keep something. Yes, baby. Okay. I was sitting on that bug for a long time. I'm so happy to be done with that. Actually so excited to be done with that. It's because I didn't set the right controller. That is so sad. Okay. I got controller inputs. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to get rid of this because I don't think it's ongoing, and we need to take the action Y value. Self, world direction, Y. I think this is for forward. Yeah, and then we need right vector. There we go. Should be able to organize this. I don't know if there's a better way to organize this. I'm not skilled with this profession. Okay. Save. Oh, we should have it, should probably have it trigger these, actually. Wait, can I not trigger both? I just want to do that, then. Probably. Okay. If this works, this should move me. The problem is it wasn't moving me before, but they also didn't have action values. So what I want to do is let's print string. Let's actually do what we were doing before. Let's go in the middle of them. We're actually gonna, can this go into multiple? Yeah, okay, we're gonna print our X. That should print. Hopping in the VR again, baby. Because that's how we test this sort of thing. Yeah, it's pain and suffering, but it's better than much, I guess. Oh, oops. Well, either way, doesn't matter. We just need to get input. My Z. Why is my Y not changing? Ah! That's negative. That's -1. +1. This is also +1. Ah, okay, I see what's going on. So it's not differing the values. That's what's going on. So that Y value is not outputting anything. Okay. So we need the Y value to actually output something different, meaning I need to go into here. And then we want to send this to... No, this doesn't matter. Then I need to go see how they do this. This should go to X and this should go to Y, but I don't think they do by default. So go back to Google. Back to Google, guys. What is this? No, let's turn on something else. Okay. Where do they cover the modifiers with input mapping? So, okay. Input modifiers. You can make it in C++ or blueprint creating new input modifier. You can also create your own input. Create a new blueprint child class using input modifier as the parent. Okay. Desired input. Ah. Swizzled input axes value. Oh. So positive none negate. Negate. Ah, so you're rotating them. That's why we do a swizzle. this is fine. We want that. But we actually want to swizzle this guy. So this guy can stay default. But we actually want to swizzle this guy. I think, right? I think this is what we want. So if we save, we hop back into VR. It'd be really nice to have a controller for this. Perfect. Okay. Awesome. We're now getting inputs, baby. Why am I down there but also up here? Oh, it's because I have a clone of myself. That's why. I know what's going on. I know exactly what's... Hi. Hello, me. So what I need to be able to do is I need to be able to go up and down. I think I'm going to tie the grips to up and down and then tie this to forward, backward. All right. Can't believe how long I was stuck on that for. Ooh, my gosh, my chair is so squeaky. All right. So now that we have our X, technically we should be moving right now. Although we don't have any force values, like... Scale value is by 1. Don't think we'll get that in here. Ah, frick me. What is this called? Pawn.add move input. Engine. No, I don't care if it's not. There we go. Target force. If true, add the import, ignoring the result. Do I need anything enabled to make sure it goes forward, backwards? Excuse me. Something I do want to do though. Let's add the rest of my controls here. What the flip? No. This guy's default, so he's gonna be 1. And then these two need to be swizzled. So this guy needs to be negate. And then this one needs to be negative as well. We also need swizzle. And then we need to do same over here. We need to do why is D negated? No, you need to be swizzled. We are swiggle negate. Okay. Oh no. What's this guy looking like? Okay. Let's okay, we're not moving at all. What if we do this? Okay, I'm getting input prints. Wait. Why is it -0? Okay, that's working as intended. I thought it wasn't for a second, but we're good. You want me to type in here? Let's do that. So I'm a little confused here. I'm not sure what I'm looking for here. Okay. I mean, it is a pawn, so it should have movement. Is there a way to open up documentation on this? Yeah, let me do it. Oh, they actually recommend tying. Oh. They actually recommend doing this, if I'm reading this correctly. Then we need to multiply it by delta, I think. That would actually make a lot of sense. So our x value goes down there. We're gonna need this to go into here. I need to proc this. I think that works, right? Warning. What's the warning for? I don't know what it's recommending then. What? Did I accidentally close something? Yeah, no. Where was I? Swear it was just on the screen telling me to do this. Character and default pawn. Oh my gosh. It's C++ only. Are you serious? Okay, whatever. Okay, it sets all the inputs. Input component. Default pawn. Move forward. Add move inputs. Transform to world space and add it. Where's the, is it not Control F? I don't use Visual Studio that often. How the frick do I do fonts? I swear it should be Control F, unless they're weird. I don't want to learn C++ right now. As much as I know it would benefit me, I'm not going to sit here and learn this. Okay, well, it looks like they have their own functions like move right and stuff based off of these. Which I don't know if this gets... Oh, default pawn underscore move right, so... Okay. Let's hover over this again. Move right, move right. I don't know where this gets called, but I would assume it gets called from a class of some kind. Movement will be the opposite. Base pawn classes won't automatically apply movement. Okay. And move. Target is pawn. I'm confused. Because this is giving me a warning. Well, maybe I can plug, can I plug delta in still? I can't. That's nice. Maybe that's what we need. Let's see what happens here. Actually, I can do this without being in VR. Okay, we're not getting any, well, we shouldn't be getting prints, but we're not moving. These are going out. Self. Do we want to scale that value at all? I assume so. Movement input goes into what? Move? Yeah, let's search up move. I think I already searched this. Pawn. Part of pawn. Here we go. We can find pawn in here. Don't we already do this up here though? Oh, we're a player controller. I think. Actually, don't remember what this does. These must be the inputs. This doesn't output anything though. So the movement input doesn't do anything to a base pawn like it said, right? Man, I am actually losing brain cells. It's wild. Might take a break from the Unreal. We'll see. I wanted to test out some Niagara stuff. I am actually losing brain cells. Okay, so we got controller inputs. Got and values. Note swizzle. Now what I need to do is okay. So we're currently stuck on not being able to move the pawn. I think I need to modify the pawn to actually know I'm in the right area. It could be just that I'm not in VR. I'm gonna put it in front of me. Should be able to see that, right? Yeah, okay, so if I load in, I should see a ball in front of me. Yeah. Okay. That's good. And if I play over here, yep. Okay, that's what I like to see. So, this guy is not wanting to behave. This right here. This would be so much easier in code, I feel like. I just don't want to learn C++. So all I gotta do is apply movement to this guy. I don't know what functions this guy has, though. VR player... Physics, maybe? Yeah, I mean, we should probably have that. So we're getting the inputs. It's just not updating. I don't understand. Wrong button. This button. Let's see what this YouTube tutorial has for me. Hey guys, and welcome back to another action. And which buttons are going to do what for the action. Creating the player character. What is this guy? So it's a pawn, player. Okay, he's got his mapping set up. So next, let's actually start setting up our player blueprints. So go back to our content browser. I'm going to go into characters and I'll right click. He imported a... So, do I want a character instead of a pawn? So all characters are pawns due to hierarchy. Actor, pawn, character. Each one can do more than the last, for example. Oh, so I probably want to switch to character. Because this probably has movement. With character, the collision capsule volume will always be there. Character movement component. We can try hopping over to a character. Let's see what this does. so we hop over to a character. So then if we, I don't know, if I reopen this, well, I might need to reopen it. Target is pawn. Well, this ain't a pawn anymore, so it's a character. Let's see what happens now. Nothing. Okay. What happened to my ball? Character movement component. What does this give us? Oh, we have one called character now. We didn't have that before. Character. One character, move it, updated it. I know this is probably the most inefficient way to learn this stuff, and I should just watch an entire tutorial, but I really don't want to sit through that. I'm really annoyed because this should just be working, I'm pretty sure. Even on the default pawn. Even if we're a pawn. Even if we're a pawn, this should work, dude. The movement. I know it's outputting stuff too, because and like I know these are outputting the right values. Just gonna combine the structure pin. And then if I have this trigger it right, should still have the same. Oh, I didn't print hello, my bad. Yeah, now if we play, I should be walking to the left and the right and forward and backwards. That's what should be happening. But this isn't doing anything. Do I need force? Is that what's going on? No. Let's see. What does this guy do in his blueprint? Wait, what is this? I don't care about jump. Add movement input. It's not even a rotation issue. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I don't even need to be doing this apparently. I thought you would need to multiply it by delta, but this guy's just doing it like this. Like this is literally what his looks like. Because the forward vector handles this guy. This is literally what he's doing. Am I wrong? Aside from the camera rotation? I'm so confused. Don't get it. GPT time, maybe? So this guy creates his inputs, creating the player character. Obviously, he uses a regular... Okay, so is it purely because I don't have a character? Because it wasn't moving before. Stops the error session. Did he add a ton of modifiers to his inputs, maybe? Well, no, because we're still printing one. I'm so confused. Okay, yeah, I get what this is doing. What the frick, man? Is he doing add movement input? Yeah, he is. Is runtime not working? Is it because I'm not in the right game mode? Oh, now you work, huh? Oh, frick you too, bro. Yeah, these don't need to be forward vectors. This needs to be a right vector. Oops, wrong one. I think that's how we want it. Nope. X is apparently up and down. I need camera input. Okay, I can get rid of this print. I want delta in here. Don't know what I'll use it for yet, but... Okay, well, we're getting input and movement. That only took me... How long have we been streaming? Almost an hour. Let's go. I mean, hey, progress is something, you know. Maybe I'll figure out a better way to do this in the future, but YouTube tutorials seem to be the way for now. Controllers. Yeah, controllers. Wakey wakey. Wakes and bakey. Whatever. Let's see if we can get this going. Oh, wait. Actually, I wonder. Oh, frick. Okay, well, if we set that down, can I get input? No. Let's escape. What I wanted to do is actually wanted to do VR preview. Oh, shoot. This works. It's not based off my camera at all. So we probably want to... It's hooked up to my camera. That's where my ball is. My hands are not loading in because my controls aren't working in that sense. Also, this looks really stupid, but hey, we have movement now. I want to get like flight, but figure that out later. My controllers are just not working right now, so that's why my hands are floating. Not the cause. Okay. Let's go. We've made it further. How's the chat doing? How's everyone chilling? Except for the fact that it's probably just me right now. Okay. Let's just note it. We got movement, baby. Note swapped to character state of pawn. Don't know why that fixed it. Oh, I just closed my obsidian. Frick me, man. Does that keep my thing open? Okay, we're good. Okay. What else was I wanting to set up now that I got this environment? So we had these set up. Now that I think I'm understanding a little bit better, we need to get camera rotation. We need to apply that to our direction. Yep. Get camera. So I need to multiply this by my look vector of my camera. Actually, wouldn't I want this to be the camera? No, that's not what I want. Undo. Well, it's not compatible with an actor. Okay, so we need to somehow get something else here. I want to base our movement off our look direction. How did he handle this? He used control rotation? What is this? So, get rotation of the controller, and then where did he put this into? Did he put this into the forward vector? Get actor forward vector. Oh, I suppose it's not applying the X and Y, maybe? Or like the up and down. That's why he's doing this. Yeah. What? Yeah, okay. Confused. I should organize mine. Okay, cool. That's something. This guy I like. So he's been relatively helpful. I'm in a bit of a weird situation though, because I don't think that's what I need to fix this issue. This is like, I don't even know. Get control rotation. Is that what that said? Get control? Yeah. This might help, but I don't know if the camera is actually rotating the player. Because I would assume through his code with his earlier stuff with his camera input, he was changing the rotation of the pawn, right? Well, our camera already works. I mean, I guess I could add some rotation to it. I wouldn't want pitch, but I could do yaw. I would have to make an input action for that, but that would be nice for rotation, actually. Hold on. Let's add a input action. What am I? No, I don't want to search in here. Let's call this a look, because that's what he, yeah. This will be a float, because we're only going to take one input from it. Controls. We're going to do, no. Look, and then in look, we're going to take, sorry, we need Oculus Touch. And then we need the thumbstick X. The right thumbstick X. There we go. And then I don't think we need to invert that all. So now what I can do is look. What did he use for this? Controller. Add controller yaw input. So this is changing the yaw of the controller. We could also, I mean, I don't really want to use the mouse right now, maybe. I guess maybe that's an option. How did he set up that, actually, I wonder? So that, okay, I see what's going on. So since the camera doesn't rotate the actor's forward vector is fine. This is working as intended. The problem is we're not rotating based off our camera, but instead our controller's rotation. So maybe I want to update the, I don't know how I'm supposed to do that for VR. I would want to update like my yaw based off of my current camera. So instead of doing this one in VR, well, I mean, we still want this, but we want this. Well, frick, no, we don't want that. It's almost like we want to multiply bases off of our camera's look, which is confusing.
Greetings, gentlemen and ladies. I'm the old school games snob. Greetings, gentlemen and ladies. I'm the old school.
Okay, I want to see how he handles this. So obviously he has his dead zones, whatever. Yeah, I'm not caring about that. Add movement. Yep. Yeah, but how do you apply your camera? Oh, it's not applying his camera. This is literally what I just set up. This isn't... This was helpful, but not really, actually. Okay. Ugh. What time is it? It's almost 11. I need to go get some water. That's what I gotta do. Alright guys, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get some water. I'll say BRB water or something like that. Some water. Alright, I'm back. What did I miss? Probably nothing. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. Well, now I need to get my controllers to track stuff so I can actually hopefully try and pick things up. Oh, bind on hit. My bad. So I can just do this. Does that actually work? I can do that for this guy too. Can these both print it? Yeah, they can. See if I can get these controllers working again. What? No, I did not want to load up Pulsar. What the frick? No. 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 Stop. Stop it. No. Close the Steam VR. That's not what I wanted to do. My Oculus Quest is not wanting to work right now. Hold on. Okay. Hopefully this works better. Come on, controllers. You have one job. You have one job. Okay. Why are you not tracking my controllers? Hello. You guys have one job. I am almost tempted to not use you right now. Maybe I need to... I don't know. Please. Just work.
They're still stuck there. They don't want to move. Guess I gotta restart them probably.
Use the Pro controllers. As much as they are nice, they kind of fall off. Hold on. I've told this Oculus button for a long time. I'm trying to restart my controller. I'm not trying to. Just restart the gosh darn controller. It's not that hard. Is my other hand at least working? No, they're both not tracking. Love hate these controllers, you know what I'm saying?
Used to love them more, but ever since I moved to the Quest 3, I just don't want to behave. Oh, they're tracking. I had to put them on the charger for a second. It's awesome. Awesome sauce. Okay. I realized I played the wrong way. What the flip? VR, please. Let's not crash right now. Okay, we're too high off the ground. Is what's going on right now.
Let's move all this. Come on. Come on. Recenter my VR view. Thank you.
And then we're going to put these
Off to the side. Move my piano. Using that right now. Turn this off. Pick it up. Okay. So, noticing, big problem is this camera is somehow a parent of This weird sphere. Oh, yeah, that's why. Okay. This makes a lot more sense. Okay. I think this auto accounts for my height, so if I had a guess, we might want to do something like that. Where are my hands, bro? Hello. How about... There we go. Good boy. Okay, also, you guys are probably getting a lot of echo right now because I keep doing this. Hold on. There you go. So I wonder if the camera's auto getting positioned at the center. Why am I not able to see my balls though? Sounds kind of goofy, I know. I feel like these just are supposed to auto go to where I am. I'm going to take a break for now. This is... If I get back in the VR, I want to do something. Save all scenes. So what did we get going right now? So we got movement. Character instead of pawn. Good progress. Direction. I think. Gonna mess around with some particles. That's what I want to do. I was wanting to do that anyway. Let's create a new blueprint. We're gonna call this particle test. Going to here, and we're gonna import. Particle system components. Assume this is related. I know Niagara is their main. So we have Niagara. Cast shadow, sure. So these are the Niagara. Okay. How does this work? Maybe I need to add. Oh, an emitter. Oh, what? What are these? Select an emitter base. What are emitter bases? Oh, this is a different scene than I was expecting. Oh boy, I have no idea what I'm doing here. That was an FX, right? Niagara system. What is a system? These are templates. Learning.
Sheesh, dude. This is ginormous, bruh. Bet you could animate this. Hold on.
Oh, it's our alpha scale, so that's why it gets. Why does it have this weird animation?
Wah, 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. We can LARP it. From A to. This is our mesh.
That's using a plane. Interesting. So how do I add more objects? Is that so? This is a what is this? Niagara emitter, and then you have an emitter system. So the system has multiple objects. Is that how this works? So you have age, unlock. Okay. What are these? System attributes. Okay, so this is the system. These are the spawn groups. Oh, I can add. Oh. Oh. Okay, so this is. I could add an empty one. Or I could, like, bring you in here, right? Oh, I see how it works now. Okay. How would you use these through code, though, I wonder? No idea, bro. This engine gets way more complicated the more I find out about it. So what is this guy? This is the spawn groups. Is this spawning both of them? Niagara system. What is it? I'm gonna Google this. System versus emitter. Like I'm confused. System and emitter module reference for Niagara effects. Hey, this is gonna be helpful. Yeah, you can do some super freaking cool VFX with this. Okay. Particle simulation in Niagara operates as a stack simulation. Execute the programmable. Okay. Oh, we got a lot to learn. Emitter setting. So if I create, let's get rid of this and let's disable this for now. Add emitter. Add empty Niagara emitter. This guy is this, right? Local space. Can use a CPU or a GPU. Ooh, okay. By default, the emitter properties is every local space. Okay, these are all what it owns normally. So how does this work? Okay. This is reference, but I want a guide, probably. Gosh, it keeps going. It keeps going, dude. I swear, I open one tab and there's 5 more billion other ones. Let's try my music again. What happened? Why is this off? I can't hear anything. Maybe it's quiet. There we go. Yeah, it's quiet. Oh, that's right. It has fluids too. Okay, well, let's start here. Excited to break on Niagara link. Dude, this music's dope. Oh, Luna. Hi. Okay, so we probably want to open this guy, and this guy all at once. There's a container for everything you will need to build that effect. System. You can modify some system level players, then we'll apply everything that effect. The timeline panel in the system which shows the emitter contains. Manage those emitters. So emitters. Emitter controls. I know how emitters work. Okay. So we have emitter spawn, emitter update, emit particle spawn. Wait, what's... Wait. This is when the emitter spawn. Okay, it's going to go over these. The emitter spawn. This group defines what happens when the emitter is first created on CPU. Use this group to define initial setups and defaults. Okay, so... Emitter spawn. Oh, each one of these has their own... Oh my gosh. I didn't realize that. So on the emitter spawn here... So if we enable this... No parameters in okay, emitter spawn. Nothing happens here. Emitter update. Spawn groups on spawn modules. Each spawn module has the capability to define a spawn group. Advanced options. Okay. So we have blue and we have these. Dynamic inputs dealing with spawn groups. We have a number of dynamic inputs which deal mask X by spawn. Ah, that's what this is. This is a mask dynamic value. Mask linear color by spawn group. And where did we the spawn group value, which is access? Is that in where do we define the spawn groups? I'm losing brain cells. I came from Roblox and Godot, and their systems for particles feel so much more simpler than this. Like, I didn't think particle systems could be this complicated, but they are. Okay. So we have two shape locations. So these are the different groups we have, I think. So sphere radius. We could actually turn this up to like 300. Oh, this is the size at which they spawn in. So if we do like 10. Oh, okay. So shape location number 1. So we have two shape locations. Shape origin. That context. It uses some sort of thing. Okay. Okay, so if I wanted to make one of these myself, I would want to do in the emitter spawn. I mean, we don't really care that much about emitter spawns because this doesn't actually define much. We want the particle spawn. Because, like, these don't have anything, do they? Spawn groups on spawn modules. Okay. This does do something, so... But if I just do a particle spawn, we can add... Can we just add a beam? Module has no unmet dependency. Add a new dependency module, spawn beam. So, do we need to do... We need to spawn... I'm so confused. So what does this even consist of? So in the properties, we have this, obviously. Summary. Nothing in the spawn. So we add a emitter state. Okay, this is just a note, I believe. Emitter state? Okay, so we need to add... So if we add a empty emitter... We need an emitter state, it seems like. emitter state. We need one of these in order to function, I believe. And then, so it uses the system. This guy uses self, but I'm not sure. So we could use this. I don't know what this does. So maybe it cycles not off this, but its own independent. Anyway, let's go down to spawn rate. Well, we probably do want spawn rate, actually, now I think about it. Spawn rate 20. Then we want to spawn. These are the particles we spawn, right? So I want to see, what do they do for their particle spawn? They do initialize particle. What is this green thing? Oh, it has a note. Green means note, right? So we probably always need to initialize particle. Shape location. We also need a initialize particle. And this particle. So this is our particle, right? So we should get a ton of little white things in an area here soon. The problem is they don't have any materials. So when do we... Where does he define the material? So in the initialized particle, we have the point attributes, sprite attributes, and mesh attributes, which he doesn't use any of the stuff I wasn't playing. He has a sprite attribute, which has the group stuff. Then he has the point attributes. So we have point attributes. Oh, we have lifetime. Okay. We don't care about any of that. We care about point here, I think. Speaking of all. Every color. How does this work? So lifetime, color mode, position. Oh, we probably need a particle update. Nope. But you do need render. Sprite renderer, which we don't have. There we go. Yeah, it wasn't showing anything because we had no render. Okay, that's cool. So if I go to this and we go back to our initialized particle, we can change values of this guy. So where is the scale defined? Color mode, position mode, mass mode. Oh, by default. It's got a set of 1, but if we do... Wait, is mass? No, that's not the size. Point. Losing brain cells. It gives me red. Okay. So this is our shape location. And then can we change the size? Or is this purely position? This is purely position, I think. Don't I need to handle size in here? Or where do you handle size? Actually, let's figure out where this guy handles size. Sprite attributes. Oh, sprite size mode. 5 to 100. Rotation and UV. Is that actually giving us... Oh, wait, this is 5 and 10. Ah, okay. If we do between 1 and 5, that's cool. Then if we do color, we add a color curve. I want it to be based off. Is that based off time? No. Let's remove that. Can I scale the color based off its light time? I mean, this is just changing the color on particle update. What do you do for your particle update? Particle state, kill particles. Okay, so I wonder if it's in here then. Sprite attributes. Start with like red. I feel like you would want it on this though, because on the update. No, 0.5. On the left? Ah, scale alpha float from curve. Okay. Wait, no. We want to do this. We need time, right? I'm gonna add a new. What the flip? What's chat doing? I might go get ready for bed. I'm tired. It's late. Don't have much else I want to do right now. I mean, as much as this is cool, okay, this is done for today. I mean, I learned a little bit. I think I'm gonna close up shop for now, though. I'm tired. It's like almost, yeah, it's past 11 now. I need to go to bed. That was cool, though, guys. It's safe. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Staying, doing some coding with me, so just chilling. Anyway, don't drown. Okay, how do I stop the stream?